Hello everyone, I hope you're all well and I hope you're all making good passive money. Welcome back to Cyberpunk VIP, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you guys to the world's best copy trader that the world has ever seen. His name is right in front of your screen. He is known as Ajay Arya, who has been doing a great job for the past 5 years in Forex market, and he has just recently showed up to the English speaking community. Before that, he was in the Hindi and Urdu speaking community, and the exposure was not much. But now he is up to the English speaking community as well. I have his live copy trading account that I will show you in a moment with the profits that he has made from it over the years. Everything you will see live in front of your eyes. And that's not it. He is providing this copy trading opportunity to anyone who wants to join him. And I have made a detailed guide about how you can join him through his copy trade. All you need to do is to go to my website. Alright, go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Just search in here Cyberpunk Crypto VIP channel. Then go into this playlist section, and inside the playlist section you can see here it's written Cappmore Fx. Alright, when you will play all, there will be 3 videos. The first one is I'll tell you about Cappmore Fx, what it is. The second video is about how you can make a deposit and how you can do your registration. And the third step is how you can set up with SJ Arya. Okay, how you can set up your account, your copy trading account with him. So let me tell you some few things about this. So Mr. Ajay Arya is a professional trader and founder of Teachable Technological Trading Academy. He has an experience of more than 8 years in Indian stock and crypto and commodity market and international market and trading and teaching. He is NSE certified financial market professional and technical analyst. He have developed various successful intraday trades and positional top secret trading strategies. He have trained thousands of students to be successful traders and investors. And right on the left side of your screen, you can see his academy. Alright, he is based in India, and if you just move inside, it's written become a master trader. That's written on the back. And you can see here on this presentation slide, it's the name of his academy, which is Teachable Technology. So he has been doing it over 8 years, and now let me show you his Forex account, what he has been doing over the years. Right now in front of your screen and on my mobile screen, Mr. AJ Arya's copy trading account is activated. As you can see, Anand Shetty, alright, he is the copy trading member of Mr. AJ Arya. And let me show you the history. Now this is the history. On the top it says profit $11,968. Look at the credit, then deposit, withdrawal. $40,000 have been withdrawn. Now imagine the profit that this guy has created over the time. Now this is basically a custom period. Let me take you to the last 3 months. In the last 3 months, if you see, profit was $29,000. Alright, you can see these losses as well if we move down. But the cumulative losses are less than the cumulative profits. So every day the trades turn out to be in profit. Alright, and if there is a loss, then I have already told you how the loss is reimbursed by this trader. Whatever profit that you make, 50% is split. Half goes to the trader, half goes to you. If he makes a loss, then half of that profit that he has already taken, he will bring it back and he will help you build your account again. And this has been happening in the past, and this will happen in the future as well. Now let me set it up to a custom period. Alright, okay, let me see it. I want to see it from December 2022 to February 2020. Right, let me take it to March 31. Okay, so you can see this is the custom period. Alright, and you can see the profit is $31,000 in just 4 months. The credit amount was $11,000. The deposit was $23,000, and the final withdrawal is more than $69,000. Isn't that insane? Isn't that eye-watering? Now, this is what his copy trading account has been making, and this is what me and you are going to follow. I have already started doing it. I have, let's just go back to my laptop screen, and then I'll show you further. You have probably seen what he has been doing, what profits we all have made, all those who have signed up under him. So if you wish to register under him, this website link is in the description of this video. All right, you can come over here. Here are the steps to sign up. I will take you through a step-by-step process. Okay, you can follow this blog post. Okay, or you can go to my YouTube channel and follow this YouTube playlist, or you can come to my Telegram. Okay, in the Telegram, you can see here we are sharing the copy trade daily results. So you can see here these were my personal results on the very first day that I traded with him, right? So you can see here I deposited $800 and I made a profit of $34 straight away on the very first day I joined him. Moreover, let me show you. So these are the trades that he had taken on his account that was copied to mine as well. And then if we move down, I'll show you something. Let me show you. Yeah, here it is. So you can see here, this was an account of $500, right? From here it started. Okay, and it on 21st, it started on 20th of March, and on 21st of March, it was around 590 or something like that. Within 1 month, it was this much of a profit. And you can see here how much they have been making over the days on this account. So you can join this this group of mine where I share trading tips, where I share everyday's results, where I share various guide videos, as you can see here. All right. Also, you can subscribe to my channel where I'll be posting more about CappmoreFx in the coming videos. This was it about Mr. AJ Arya. I hope that you guys have gotten an insight to him. I'll be probably interviewing him in the coming future, and I really believe that it's going to be a great eye-opener. It's going to be a great opportunity that is going to unfold in front of us. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions, write it down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in a new video with a new update. Till then, peace out.